Good morning, dear friends. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Okay, that's great. So, dear friends, today we are going to start a very exciting and amazing poem. Okay, but before that, I want to ask you some questions. So, are you ready? All right. So, dear friends, now it's just like a riddle. Okay, I want to ask you one riddle and you have to guess and give me the answers. Correct? So, dear friends, this is riddle. So, here we go. Okay, I am there everywhere. Okay, I am there everywhere. You cannot see me. You cannot see me. Just you can feel me. Okay, without you, without me, you cannot live. Without me, you cannot live. You take me every day. Okay, so tell me, who am I? Yes? Yes, air. That's right. Okay, so air. Okay, so dear friends, air is very important in our life. Okay, and what type of work it is doing in our daily life, we know. Without air, we can't survive. Okay, and some part when air is, the air has different names. Okay, so when it is the airy atmosphere, we feel very pleasant, we feel very happy. Okay, when it's summer, so cool breeze of the air mesmerize us and make enchanting. Okay, so the small cool breeze is also known as the wind. Okay, wind, and when it becomes very wild, then it becomes cyclone. Okay, so जब तेज हवाएं हो जाती हैं तो उसे साइक्लोन कहते हैं, और जब हल्की हवाएं चलती हैं तो हम उसे विंड कह सकते हैं. ओके, सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, इन टुडेज पोएम वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द विंड. ओके, दिस पोएम is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Robert Louis Stevenson is a very one of the greatest contributor of English literature, and he is the most translated person in English literature. उनकी चीज़ों को, उनके एसेज को, उनके पोएम्स को, उनके राइटिंग को काफ़ी बार ट्रांसलेट किया गया है दुनिया भर में. So let's see the poem, The Wind. So dear students, listen carefully. Okay, listen carefully the poem. I'm going to sing the poem and then you have to listen it carefully, read it properly and then recite at your home. Okay, आपको इसे लर्न भी करना है, इसको गाना है. Okay, so just repeat after me and sing with me. Okay, so are you ready? All right, so here we go. La 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 la. I saw you toss the kites on high and blow the birds about the sky, and all around I heard you pass like lady skirts across the grass. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, wind are blowing all day long. Oh, wind that sings so loud a song. La 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 la. I saw the different things you did, but always you yourself did heed. I saw the different things you did, but always you yourself did heed. I felt you push, I heard you call, I could not see yourself at all. La 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 la. Oh, wind, blowing all day long. Oh, wind, that sings so loud a song. La 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 la. Come on, student. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, you that are so strong and cool, oh blower, are you young or old? Oh, you that are so strong and cool, oh blower, are you young or old? Are you beast of field or tree, or just a stronger child than me? La 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 la. Oh, you that are so strong and cold, oh blower, are you young or old? Are you a beast of field or tree, or just a stronger child than me? Oh, wind up blowing all day long. Oh, wind that sings so loud a song. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Come on, everybody. Oh, wind, I'm blowing all day long. Oh, wind, that sings so loud a song. Oh, wind, I'm blowing all day long. Oh, wind, that sings so loud a song. So I hope, dear students, you have enjoyed the poem. Now after this you have to listen this carefully, okay? Watch the video, read the poem each and every line, and try to recite the poem and enjoy the poem, okay? In the next page we will see more meaning of the poem. So take care, be safe at your home, have a good day. Thank you.